That's really good.
Hi, welcome back to Bites Empty. Today I'm going to show you how to make a well-balanced and extremely nutritious soup. It is so easy to make and it's jam-packed with protein, good fats, and good carbohydrates. Red lentils, 1 sweet onion, 4 carrots, gigantic carrots, 3 red-eye chili peppers, we'll bring this to a boil until everything softens up. So after it's been simmering for about an hour, we're just going to blend this. We'll let this stew for a little bit longer, just to infuse the flavors. The sweet potatoes are done once you can smell the caramelization. It's so aromatic, you're gonna love it. It's gonna take about roughly 60 to 90 minutes depending on the size of your potatoes.
Okay. Oh, this looks good. Okay, a nice puree. Baby food part 2.
When do we make baby food?
I don't know, I'm just joking, okay? Because it's puree, that's all. Thanks for the soup, baby. Oh, that's really good, it's interesting. It's a little spicy. Is there beans in here?
It's lentils.
This is really good.
It is a carrot, lentil, coconut soup. So this carrot brings a little sweetness to it.
Yeah.
And there's a little kick to it. It's good in protein and good fats as well.
That's really good. I think I was surprised by how spicy it was. It's like a good spicy, which I didn't necessarily, I guess it's a hotter than usual spicy for you, that's all. And so it's delicious for me. That's really good. Very creamy. Well blended. Perfect for people who have no teeth. That's been laughing at me. I'm supporting the community of people with no teeth. It's very good. I like how the parsley cuts a little bit of the heat too. The cilantro cuts a little bit of the heat.
Is it too spicy for you?
It went down the wrong pipe. It's not that it's too spicy for me. Okay, back up. Can I get some water then? As I continue to eat without water, I decide that it's not too spicy for me. Yeah, the mushrooms add a really nice texture to it. And then you can sneak in the veggies by adding in the kale. And it gives it a nice difference in color. Let's cut this part out. I was thirsty beforehand. It's not necessarily that it's too spicy.
Any additional comments?
Thank you.
We got a secret ingredient
Okay.
into the soup, so you're gonna have to try it again.
Okay, that's okay. Oh. That's really good. I can see behind you, so I know what the secret ingredient is. And I can also taste it. Sweet potato, turnip?
Sweet potatoes.
Oh.
It's a Japanese sweet potato.
Oh.
It's roasted. This is supposed to cut the spiciness more.
It's perfect. Do we have a napkin?
We can't afford
There's
it.
Okay, no worries. We're at a budget. Things are tight now.
Yeah, with no more Kleenexes.
That's what a sponge is for. Anyhow, this is delicious. I actually really like that addition because you said it cuts the sweetness, but I also like the texture of it. So you get a thumbs up.